Today we are going to be drawing SpongeBob. The colors you need are blue, blue, yellow, brown, red, and black.
Okay, so let's start drawing SpongeBob. First, we're gonna draw his big eyes. And then I'm gonna draw his nose. Draw his big eyelashes. Then I'm gonna draw his little swivels. Then we're gonna make him 3D. And draw another line.
Oh, beautiful.
Yes, it is beautiful. Then we're gonna draw his actual eyes, his pupils. On the outside, I'm making another ring, and then color that in. My eyes are uneven.
Mine too, I think.
Well, that's okay. And then I'm going to draw his little circles. You can draw him anywhere you want. Then we're going to draw his mouth. A very happy mouth. Then we're going to draw his pants. Draw his pants. Make that 3D also.
Pants, what's that?
And don't forget his arms are up here. Make it like a half circle. And we're gonna draw his arms.
Very skinny.
Yeah. It's very skinny. Then we're gonna draw his tie. Put it right in the middle. Then we're gonna draw his belt. It just goes by lines. Then we're gonna draw his shorts. Then we're gonna draw his legs. Then we're gonna draw the rest of his legs.
I really like my doggies.
Oh, you ran out. You ran out of room.
Kind of. Yeah.
That's okay. I'm gonna draw his feet. His feet are pretty hard to draw. Draw his feet like that and you color it in.
He has elf shoes.
Yeah, he does have elf shoes, kind of.
Mine look good. I did mine look good.
Okay. Now we will see you in the time lapse.
Seconds later.
This is what it looks like after it's done. Remember, you needed yellow, black, red, brown, blue, and actually
And
that's it.
Yours could either look like Asher's or mine.
Yes,
Or
or it could
something else.
even look better,
Or worse.
which it probably won't. But thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
Subscribe.
And don't forget to pause. Here, I'll move this stuff so you can pause and look at the colors. Now, bye.